my name is Jack. This is my science project I built. His name is the Irish Robot because he has the Irish flag on. The stuff that's inside of him is, we got packing peanuts, LEDs, the thing that programs everything for coding, the connection cord from my computer to the thing that programs everything, and then we got the wires running through his body for his hands. So I programmed it to say stuff, and then when I press the space bar or anything, these two lights light up. I'm gonna show you.
I like Irish Pump. I like Irish Pump.
So that's what I did with him.